Are you tired of cluttered kitchen cabinets filled with heavy pots and pans that take up too much space? Do you struggle with cleaning sticky cookware after every meal? What if there was a smarter, more convenient solution that could transform your cooking experience completely? Well, today's video might be exactly what you've been looking for. Introducing the CAROTE 19-piece detachable cookware set, a modern, space-saving, and highly versatile non-stick cookware set designed to make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable than ever before.
If you love smart kitchen gadgets and want to upgrade your cooking setup, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we bring you the best product reviews to help you save time, space, and money. Now let's dive right in. The CAROTE 19-piece cookware set is not just another set of pots and pans. It's a complete kitchen solution. What makes this set stand out immediately is its detachable handle design. Yes, you heard that right. The handles can be easily removed and attached whenever needed. This simple yet powerful feature changes everything. First of all, it saves a massive amount of space. Without fixed handles sticking out, these pots and pans can be neatly stacked inside each other. This is perfect for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, or even RV living where space is limited. Secondly, the detachable handle adds flexibility. You can move cookware from the stove to the oven and even directly to the fridge, all with the same pot. It's incredibly convenient and reduces the need for multiple dishes.
Now, let's talk about the build quality. The CAROTE cookware set features a high-quality non-stick coating that ensures food doesn't stick to the surface. This means you can cook with less oil, making your meals healthier. Plus, cleaning becomes super easy. Just a quick wipe or rinse, and you're done. No more scrubbing for minutes after every meal. The set is also compatible with induction cooktops, which is a huge plus. Whether you're using gas, electric, or induction, this cookware works efficiently across all types of stoves. That makes it a versatile choice for almost any kitchen setup. Another great feature is its oven-safe design. Once you remove the handle, the pots and pans can go straight into the oven. This opens up a lot of cooking possibility, from baking to roasting, without needing separate bakeware. Let's not forget about portability. Because of its compact and detachable design, this set is perfect for people who travel or live in RVs. You can carry it easily without worrying about bulky handles or limited storage space. It's designed for modern lifestyles where convenience matters the most. Now, what do you actually get in this 19-piece set? You get multiple pots, pans, lids, and detachable handles. Everything you need for daily cooking. Whether you're frying eggs, boiling pasta, making soups, or preparing full meals, this set has you covered. It's like having a complete kitchen packed into one compact system. In terms of performance, the heat distribution is even and consistent. This ensures that your food cooks properly without hot spots. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or simmering, you'll get reliable results every time. And because of the non-stick surface, flipping food becomes effortless. No sticking, no breaking, just smooth cooking. Now, let's talk about design and aesthetics. The CAROTE cookware set has a sleek and modern look that instantly upgrades your kitchen's appearance. It's stylish, minimal, and designed to match contemporary kitchens. Whether you're cooking for yourself or guests, it gives a premium feel. Who is this cookware set best for? If you have a small kitchen, this is a perfect choice. If you hate cleaning stubborn pans, this is for you. If you want something portable for travel or RV use, this set is ideal. And if you simply want a versatile, all-in-one cookware solution, this might be exactly what you need. However, if you prefer traditional cookware with fixed handles, it might take a little time to get used to the detachable system. But once you do, it's hard to go back. Overall, the CAROTE 19-piece detachable cookware set offers a perfect balance of convenience, functionality, and modern design. It's built for today's fast-paced lifestyle, where saving time and space is more important than ever. So if you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen, this cookware set is definitely worth considering. So that was our complete review of the CAROTE 19 pieces detachable cookware set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing product reviews just like this. Your support helps us bring better content every week. Also, let us know in the comments, would you try a detachable handle cookware set in your kitchen? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.